Hello, welcome back to Software Development Mindset 7 Wastes in Software Development. Waste number 2, Development of Extra Features. Symptoms of development of extra features. We have a lot of symptoms here. For example, occasionally a product owner or stakeholder, the client, decide to have a feature. It's called a bit feature that insisted to be in the product. However, it is a wrong decision and doesn't fit the business anyway. But the client insists that the features it will be in this. So it's become a waste. Another symptom is that if you have a long feedback cycle that causes the features to become obsolete. For example, if we decide for features and after 6 months later the users already have a workarounds for these features or make this fit function with another way up far of your application. So these features become obsolete. Another thing it is funny, believe it or not, the developers that insist to do a features that trendy in the technology or a phenomena, for example, like R&D features or something it is a new in our technology. It is called a resume driven development that the client doesn't need these features but the developers need to learn this and increase the knowledge of these features. It is another symptoms. Another symptoms is that we don't know it's maybe the client needs these features or not. The customers didn't ask it and didn't say he actually needs these features, and no business in the analysis really needs these features, but it seems to be the customer going to need. So it is another symptoms of development in extra features. Also, there is a common example of sounds good features. For example, if we have a printing system and the customer need to print in different size and the customer, it sounds good to add PDF format, to add GIF format and so on. It sounds good, but actually the user didn't use it right now, and but after 6 months or after product life cycle ends, the customer actually didn't use it. So it is another symptoms. How we can track these extra features? We have in software development some thing called RTM, requirement traceability matrix, that every feature in your system must be tracked, compiled, integrated, tested, and maintained in your system. So every time you and your client are agree of each feature is usable and making a real value for the business. Our strategy against extra features is to provide a short feedback cycle. Frequent product demo will expose the features that you are working on to your customer. No longer believe you will get them competitive advantage or not. They need it or not. Even better, frequently demonstration is frequently to deploy these features and monitor with track the usage of this feature. Getting the software in the field in a regular basis, tracking the feature usage. You can easily explore the user trend, even if he needs these features or not. Removing any feature that it is not useful for the clients and increase the complexity, maintenance load, code, and so on. And going forward and focus for every feature that make a real value to your clients. Don't forget to check the client resources, lecture resources, and appreciating if you collaborate with us in our discussion tab. Thank you.